What's up guys, welcome back to Indian FemFit. I love sharing my recipes with you, and today what I'm going to share is not the food or the exercise recipe, but it's a whipped body butter which I make for myself. When we do workout, when we do intense workout every day and we are sweating out, it's really important that we have to take care of our hair and skin. Since I have a very sensitive skin and I have used these products, so this is my experience for last few years and this is how I take care of my skin. So first I'll show you the ingredients. Today we are going to use 3 ingredients. So first one is an African shea butter. It's raw and unrefined shea butter. It's almost like how we have ghee at home. It is thick, raw and unrefined. Second ingredient is an organic sweet almond oil. It's a cold pressed almond oil. So I am not promoting any of these brands. It's just that I picked them up and I used them and I found them good quality. So I'm just sharing it with you so that you have everything handy with you. And the third one is a virgin coconut oil. So you can buy any virgin coconut oil for that in that case. So these 3 are the things which today we are going to use to make our whipped body butter. Using these ingredients, you can even do the combination for your scalp cream as well, because these 3 things are very good for skin and hair. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to take out shea butter and I'm putting in this cup for the measurement purpose, because I'm using this measurement because I have to do the ratio of 100% shea butter to 50% of coconut oil and sweet almond oil. So I need 1 cup of shea butter. So I'm going to take out this 1 cup shea butter in the pan. Making these things can be messy. We have to keep going. There's no way. I am not going to risk my skin to any artificial lotions or any products which might not be good in long term. So I better make it on my own. So there you go. I'm just going to place it on flame now and let it melt. Alright, let it melt. So I have placed it on the flame and it has already started melting up. Yay, there you go. So now it's very hot, so I have simmered the gas. Now we'll get ready with our virgin coconut oil. So I'm going to pour half cup in here. So now when the shea butter is completely melted, I'm just going to switch it off. Now if your virgin coconut oil is also thickened up or just frozen up, then you can melt virgin coconut oil along with shea butter. For now, I just let it cool down a bit before I mix coconut oil in melted shea butter. So now when you settle it up and its temperature comes little down, I'm going to mix virgin coconut oil in this. Okay, and now I'm going to just mix it a bit, just stir it around so it just gets mixed properly. And now I'm going to mix sweet almond oil, half cup. So I've taken half cup of sweet almond oil, which I'm going to mix along, and I'm going to stir it a bit. Now this is the mixture which is ready of these three ingredients which we are using today. Now we have to wait for 30 minutes before we place it in the fridge or freezer. Since later we have to whip all the ingredients together in a grinder, so I am going to put this liquid here in the grinder already, and I'm going to put this directly into the freezer when it's completely cooled down. So half an hour I'm going to leave it like this, and after that I'm going to place it in the freezer. It's already half an hour and I'm so excited for the next part of this video because I'm going to place this mixture in the freezer. So let's put it in the freezer, then come back for the rest part of it. There you go, freeze it, express freeze. It's exactly 1 hour मैंने फ्रीजर में रखा था. इसको हमें exactly पूरा solid नहीं करना था. It's exactly 1 hour, and now I'm going to take it out because we are not supposed to make it like complete solid. It has to be a little semi-solid, a little soft solid kind of. So let me just check. It's exactly 1 hour now, and it looks like this. And now I'm going to whip it. So let's get ready. Alright, it's whipped completely, and now it looks something like this. Okay, so I'm going to place it in a jar and it's ready for use. There you go, it filled up my entire jar like that, and you want to check the texture of it. Just take a little bit in your hand and look here, it's amazing. So it gave my skin a very nice glow. You can see that, and it's completely natural. So obviously, because it's not a market product and it's a homemade thing, so it doesn't have any fragrance. But if you like fragrances, you can buy fragrances separately and you can put it in that. I like it quite raw, so I'm just going to stick to it without the fragrances. Do comment in the comment box and let me know how do you like this video. I might come back sharing more of my recipes and secret about health and beauty. And do subscribe and follow me on my social handles, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. You can just follow me. Indian FemFit has their pages. I'll come back next time with more interesting information. Till then, bye bye.